Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Wi-Fi not available on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off, wait for a second and just turn on again. So also you can tap on your network and just choose forget this network and just wait and reconnect to your network again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try to go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slightly power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful installs latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.